Lotteries, our female candidate from the blue Atlantic. Okay, careful, baby. And for your question, get what? And I will read the question para sa'yo. Okay, are you ready? Can you introduce yourself and tell us something special about you? Maaari mo bang ipakilala ang iyong sarili at sabihin sa amin isang bagay na espesyal tungkol sa'yo? O sa palagay mo, baby, anong meron kang taglay ngayong gabing ito at wala ang iba? Anong kakayahan meron ka? Okay, thank you so much. Alright, let's